So, hello everybody. Today we are starting the day with a very short drive because I'm going out of the city. I want to reach the parking from which I can access the woods, and then we will be having a short hike, give or take 1 hour, just to reach the viewpoint on top of the lake. We have these mountains surrounding the lakes. Despite these are not real mountains, they are more height of a hill, in my humble opinion. But once we get there, the thing that I want to prove today is how can we tell a story with, I will say street photography, with landscape photography. Because if you're a tourist and you get to the viewpoint and then you just take your smartphone out of your pocket and you snap a postcard, well, you can even avoid bothering, right? You can double check the view even on Google. But if you take your gear with you, such as a full frame camera, a glass, a tripod, the filters, how can we make the difference? How can we make it personal and relevant? Let's see it together.
And we keep going.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain.
Yeah, we're still climbing, so it's gonna be like 1 hour, 1 hour and a half in total to get to the mountain top. But in my humble opinion, this is not a mountain. You can call it a hill. It doesn't seem steep, but I can grant you it is.
You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from Soli, and today we reached the mountain top. So it's a fairly nice walk in the woods. I picked up today because it's not so sunny, not so warm, and we arrived to the pin umbrella, so umbrella pine or something like that, I think in English, which is a nice viewpoint. But since we said that we don't want to snap postcards, we need to make it interesting. So in order to tell a story, we see that we have the umbrella here facing the mountaintop and the Italian flag. So this is what I want to include in my photos, because there are plenty of panoramic shots with the views from this viewpoint, but how to add a personal touch? I think that the Italian flag, that's certainly something that we were looking for.